So the net profit given in the balance sheet may not show the actual fund from operation. For that purpose only we are preparing adjusted profit and loss account. So there are certain items which are not related to operating income or operating expense. So those items will be added and reduced from this original profit and loss account by preparing the another account called adjusted profit and loss account. So in that we can broadly say that adding back non-cash and non-operating expenses and subtracting non-cash and non-operating income. So before that, let us see what is non-operating income, non-operating expense and all. Okay. So for that case, yeah. So first one is non-fund items. So non-fund items means it does not result in any increase or decrease in working capital because they will be paper transactions. What do you mean by paper transaction? You see the example, right? What do you mean by paper transaction? In this depreciation, what is depreciation? Usual wear and tear of any fixed asset. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
What about amortization? Amortization is same as depreciation only, but depreciation we generally call the wear and tear of fixed assets. But amortization means wear and tear of
Intangible asset.
non-tangible or intangible assets. For example, goodwill, year 1, year 2, 2000, 1500. So while preparing the adjusted profit and loss account, we'll be writing something on the debit side that is known as depreciation. We call it as depreciation. For amortization, what do we call that?
Written off.
Return off.
Written off. എഴുതി തള്ളുക. Write off or written off goodwill. What is the amount that we write?
1,000.
1000 or
500.
500 because year 1 2008 it was 2000. In 2009 it became 1500. Where did that 500 go? It is known as written off. Okay, so these are some examples of non-fund items. That means paper transaction which do not result in any inflow and outflow of cash. We consider depreciation as an expense, but any money is going inside or going outside the business for depreciation?
No.
Yes or no? So this will be adjusted while preparing the adjusted profit and loss account. Another items that we use for preparing adjusted profit and loss account is that non-operating items. What is non-operating items? What are operating expenses? We had seen that income statement, right? Do you remember that income statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We saw some operating expenses. What are they?
Administration expense and selling and distribution expense.
That is there. Then which are which are logically related to production. Okay.
Yes.
I would say, let me ask you. This one?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry.
Operating expense alle.
Yes, sir. Stationery. Discount.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. those are, we can logically relate it to the production process or manufacturing or whatever it may be. But what about proposed dividend and profit on sale of machinery or loss on sale of machinery? Parayu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you don't have any issue, right? Can we consider that as an operating expense? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the sixth and seventh item? Proposed dividend and profit on sale of machine. അതും ഒരു income അല്ലേ, profit on sale of machine. But is it related to some operating expense? എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന എക്സ്പെൻസും അല്ല എപ്പോഴും കിട്ടുന്ന ഇൻകം ആണോ അത്? Every time we will be getting profit on sale of machine or
അല്ല.
loss on sale of machine?
ഇല്ല.
No, sir.
ഇല്ല ഇല്ല.
Yes, we will not. No. So these are some of the items that we are using to prepare the adjusted profit and loss account. Is it clear? Non-fund items means those are paper transactions which do not result in any flow of cash. No inflow and outflow of cash for depreciation and amortization, right?
Yes, sir.
It is only a
Yes, sir.
notion. We are creating something. There is no actual flow of money. That is known as non-fund items. Now, non-operating items means those items which do not have any logical relationship between production or manufacturing of goods. That is why proposed dividend and profit on sale of machinery is said to be like that. There are other items also that we'll discuss. Okay, you're getting the point.
Yes,
So
sir.
rent paid operating ആണോ non-operating ആണോ?
Rent paid.
See, it is related to business, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, rent, wages, salary. Usually these are the items you will be having confusion. Rent, wage, salary, those will be given in your question. So don't take care about that. We should only take the items which are non-fund and non-operating items, and you have a list of those. So try to remember that. Fine. Yes. These are some of the,
Sir.
these are some of the non-operating non-operating items. Loss on sale of assets and profit on sale of asset, proposed dividend, interim dividend, transfer to reserve. Generally these items usually appear. Okay, so now let's see what are the, how to prepare this adjusted profit and loss account. Okay, so we have two methods to prepare adjusted profit and loss account. The first one, this is statement format method. Okay, so while you are starting your problem, you should start with which profit? Gross profit or net profit?
Net profit.
You should take net profit. In the question you will be given net profit and you have to start with net profit. Okay, and
Sir.
we will be adding some items and reducing some items. So we are actually adding back all other non-operating expense, because the profit as per P&L account. In the question, no, you will have a profit and loss account. This already is adjusted item, but we have to calculate the fund from operation. That is the reason why we are adding back the expense and reducing the income. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you should start with net profit given in the question. And what are the non-fund or non-operating expenses? As said earlier, see, red color depreciation, loss on sale of fixed asset, proposed dividend, interim dividend, provision for tax. Usually in the question, these are the items that you should take care of. Okay, these are some of the important items you should not forget. Apart from that, premium on redemption. See, while doing the problem, you get to understand. Yes. You will be getting a balance sheet, and here preference share capital 1 lakh and it will become 50,000. Okay. Do you remember the format of fund flow statement? Sources and application of fund. Application paisa poi. Source
Yes.
the money has entered our business. So in this question, this is
business
yes, 2008 and 2009. Preference share capital in 2008, 1 lakh, 2009, it is 50,000. Is it application, source or application?
Application.
Why?
Applications are because it is
Reduction in money.
In application of fund, what will you write?
Redemption.
Redemption
Redemption.
of
Share.
preference share capital. If there is an adjustment, they are saying that preference share capital is redeemed at 10% premium. Are you getting? See,
Yes.
here you don't have any doubt that this is a redemption because preference share capital reduced from 2008 to 2009. 50,000 rupees was redeemed, right? In the
Yes.
adjustment, they are saying that preference share capital is redeemed at 10% premium. So how to calculate that premium?
50,000 into
50,000 into
10%.
10
10%. That means 10 by
100.
100. What is the amount of premium?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
5,000 rupees. So this 5,000 will also be recorded in the application of fund, redemption of preference share 50,000 plus
Share premium.
premium 5,000. And this premium now, while doing final accounts, we have seen what adjustments will appear in
2 places.
2 places. So in fund flow statement 5,000 you have mentioned. After that, while preparing this adjusted P&L account also, you will be writing premium on redemption 5,000. While doing the problem, you'll get to know. Okay. So that is premium on redemption. And goodwill written off. What is goodwill written off? It is known as depreciation or amortization.
Amortization.
Amortization. In so some value has been decreased. 2008 and 2009 data are here. Goodwill. 2008 it is 10,000. 2009 it become 8,000. So you should know that goodwill has decreased and it is known as amortization. How much?
2,000.
2,000. So you will be writing goodwill written off 2,000. And any other assets written off, patent written off. Okay. These are some of the amortization expenses will be appearing in adjusted profit and loss account. Next one, this discount. What discount is this?
Discount are ordered.
Discount. മറ്റേ discount അല്ല നമ്മൾ ട്രേഡിന് ഇപ്പൊ ഡെറ്റേഴ്സിന് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് ഇല്ലേ? Not that discount. Okay, you should always take care. Discount on issue of shares. Discount on issue of shares. Usually this item will not appear. And if in the question they are very silent, they only mention about discount, you can take the discount in the adjusted profit and loss account. Why? Because you are treating that discount as discount on issue of shares. If it is discount allowed, you should not take. Discount on issue of shares you will be taking, or if in the question it is silent and only says discount also, you will be taking it in the adjusted profit and loss account. Clear? We are going to do a problem after this small one. And next item, preliminary expenses written off. What is preliminary expense?
At the time of starting.
At the time of starting the business, there will be some expenses like logo expense, patent expense or something. It is known as fictitious asset. Okay. So if you see preliminary expense reduced 2008, 2009, you have the data. Preliminary expense 2000 became 1,500. That means you should know that
500 is
500 rupees is written off. Okay. That is known as preliminary expense written off. Then next one, transfer to general reserve. What is that? In the question 2008, 2009 balance sheet, you will be having general reserve 2,000, 2,500, 1,500. What happened? You have to transfer it to the general reserve. If general reserve, the amount difference, always you have to write it as transfer to general reserve. And next item is proposed dividend. Did we talk about proposed dividend yesterday?
yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
proposed
sir.
dividend?
Dividend proposed to pay
2008,
Yes,
2009. Proposed dividend. 42,000, 50,000. Which amount will be recorded in the adjusted P&L account?
$8,000.
8,000.
No. While reaching proposed dividend, you should not forget 2008 പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള proposed dividend. What happens to it? What happens to this 42,000 in 2009?
Paid to
It will be
shareholders.
paid. It will be paid. Any doubts? The previous
sir.
year proposed dividend will be deemed to be paid the next year. Okay. So before that, let me tell you, while preparing the fund flow statement, we have data of 2008 and 2009. Where, generally, when are we preparing this fund flow statement? 2008 or 2009 ano?
2009.
After getting these 2 years data only, you can do the calculation in 2009. And you also know that this 42,000 provision, last year provision will be, it will be paid in the next year. So 2008 dividend will be paid in 2009. So if 42,000 where we are mentioning, we are paying, something is going outside our business. Money is going out. Application of fund. What is this 50,000? This year
We get it
proposal. This year proposal 50,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happens to that?
The
Next.
She is given to us.
50,000 where are we recording?
profit and loss
Adjusted profit and loss account. Okay, current year proposed dividend only we will be recording in adjusted profit and loss account, not the previous year. And also you are not taking the difference, unlike goodwill written off. Okay, that is only case with proposed dividend, not with other items. Fine.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Now come to interim dividend. That will be given in the adjustment. Interim dividend, some money is paid. Since it is given in adjustment, this year kodutha paisa. Okay. So 2 places it will appear. Interim dividend means something is going out of business. Where it will be?
application of
Application of fund. Since it has come in adjustments, where will you write in the second part?
adjusted profit and loss.
Adjusted profit and loss account also. Okay. Yes. And provision for tax, leave it for now. There is another separate adjustment. So these are the items which we are adding. Depreciation, loss on sale of fixed asset, premium on redemption, all the expenses we are adding. Okay. Patents written off, goodwill written off, discount, preliminary expense, proposed dividend transfer to general reserve. While doing the problem, you'll get to know about this. Yes. And we are reducing some other items. What are those? Non-fund or non-operating income. Generally, you will be getting only this profit on sale of fixed asset and some interest received, not more than that. So this is the format of adjusted profit and loss account. First of all, you are starting with net profit and not the gross profit. Gross profit in ivada oru importance illa. You should take the net profit and start. Add non-fund and non-operating expenses. These are the non-fund and non-operating expenses. Out of that, depreciation, loss on sale of fixed asset, proposed dividend, interim dividend, provision for tax. Don't forget that. And you have to reduce non-operating and non-fund income. Usually profit on sale of fixed assets usually come. Okay. So if you balance this, if you find out, you'll be getting fund from operation. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we discussed about the statement format. What will be the second format? See, before that, let me tell you. In the balance sheet, you have profit and loss account. 2008, 2009, 20,000, 30,000. ഇങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് മെത്തേഡിൽ എങ്ങനെ എടുക്കും?
Difference of this 30,000 minus 20.
See, if 2009 is more, no, 2009, 30,000, 2008, 20,000. You can take the difference. How much?
10,000.
10,000. That is not an issue. If it comes like 2,000, അല്ല 20,000 and 10,000 what will you do? Minus അല്ലേ വരിക?
Yes.
So which balance you will be taking over here first?
10,000 minus 20,000.
You can do that. It will come as minus figure only while doing the calculation. Don't make some mistake. That's it. Pakshe, the actual thing is that you can write the net profit here as first the closing balance. That is 10,000. And here you can reduce the opening balance. So ingane oru confusion ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് we have the second method. What would be that second method?
Account format.
That is account format. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ 2008 2009 P&L account. You have 10,000, you have 5,000. കുറഞ്ഞു. So minus figure അല്ലേ വരിക? In this
Yes,
case, we can use this account format. So you should always start with applying these two values. Okay, അങ്ങനെയാണ് account format start ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So net profit brought down. What is the amount you are keeping here? Net profit brought down. Bracket landa previous year. Which is the previous year?
10,000.
10,000.
Start writing with 10,000. And net profit carried down. What is the current
Yes,
year?
sir.
Current year atraya profit?
5,000.
5,000. So now you are getting 20,000 and 30,000. Net profit brought down. Which one?
Net profit brought 30,000 carried on.
Yeah.
20.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
30,000.
20,000 and 30,000. Start with the previous year's net profit. Okay. Clear. So you have two previous year profit and current year profit. And on the debit side, you will be mentioning all the add items. That means all the non-fund and non-operating items. Okay. On the credit side, you will be writing all the non-fund and non-operating
Non-operating income.
Non-operating
income.
income.
Yes, you will be writing it over here, and always this side will be more most of the times. If that is the case, you will be writing fund from operation as the balancing figure over here. If this side is more, what happens? Are the profit or loss? Yes, what do you call that? This is fund from operation. Sometimes you will see
Loss from
operation. Usually it will not come. You will be getting the fund from operation only, and fund from operation is the balancing figure. After writing all these expenses and all this income, you will be getting fund from operation as the balancing figure. Okay.
yes.
We shall do a small problem. Yeah. So this is the problem. Yesterday this problem only I mentioned in the group. You have this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the profit and loss account given over here. You are asked to prepare the adjusted P&L account to calculate the fund from operation. Now you just go through this P&L account: depreciation, discount, loss on sale of machine, goodwill written off, preliminary expense, sundry expense, net profit, gross profit, profit on sale of plant. So this is given. So you are going to prepare the adjusted profit and loss account, and you are going to start. So what is the first item? First we are going to see the statement method. Statement method varumbo, what is the first item?
Net
Net
profit.
profit.
Net profit.
Net profit as per P&L account, right? What is that?
560.
5650.
5,650.
Net profit 5650. പിന്നെ ആഡ് ആണോ ലെസ് ആണോ ആദ്യം?
Add.
Add non-operating non-fund income. അതിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു? ജസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ ടു റിമെമ്പർ. ഡിപ്രിസിയേഷൻ, പ്രപ്പോസ് ഡിവിഡൻഡ്, പ്രൊവിഷൻ ഫോർ ടാക്സ്, ഗുഡ്വിൽ റിട്ടേൺ ഓഫ്, പ്രിലിമിനറി എക്സ്പെൻസ് റിട്ടേൺ ഓഫ്, അല്ലേ? റൈറ്റ്.
Income expense, sir. Non-operating expense.
Yeah, sorry. Non-operating expenses. Non-operating expenses. So what are they? Depreciation,
Depreciation, discount,
loss on sale, loss on sale, premium on redemption.
Goodwill written off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
goodwill written off, preliminary expenses written
All
off,
the expense kind of
Goodwill
things.
written
sundry expenses.
Yes. So in this question start, idu varu depreciation.
Yes, sir.
Depreciation. Yes. What is the second item? Simply they are saying
Yes, sir.
discount. That means
So that is also coming.
yes,
Discount on share,
discount on issue
issue
of
of share.
share. If it was discount allowed means
Issue of shares.
It should not
Issue of
take.
shares.
because that is an operating expense. So this discount also appears. Next one, loss on sale of
Issue.
idu varile.
Loss on sale
Right,
of-
sir.
Goodwill
Issue.
written off.
Yes.
Preliminary
sir.
expense written off.
Yes, sir.
Sundry expense. So
No.
it will
No,
not
sir.
Yes,
appear.
sir.
Because there are chances that some that means some operating expense may also include in the sundry expense. So sundry expense is not at all taken care of. Now coming to the credit side, gross profit,
No.
No, sir.
profit on sale of plant.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can write over here. What is the first item? You have the question here. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Net profit, 5,650.
50. Next item,
Depreciation,
depreciation. How much?
1,000.
1000. Next one,
Discount on issue of shares,
discount. How much?
100.
100.
Next one,
Loss
Loss
on
on
sale of
sale of
machine
loss on sale of machine. How much?
400.
for
400.
100.
Preliminary
Goodwill
expense,
written off.
Preliminary expense. How much?
500.
Goodwill written off. How much?
2,350.
2350. Any other items?
No, sir.
What is the total
No,
of
sir.
these? First,
4,350.
what is the total? 5650 plus 4350.
10,000.
10,000. Less what? Non-operating,
Non-operating income.
non-fund income. How many is there? Or there is only one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Profit on sale of
Profit on sale of
Profit on sale of
plant.
plant. How much?
3,500.
3500.
35. Yes, sir.
Yes. Fund from operation. How much?
100.
6,500. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll give you a small homework. You try to do that. And we'll continue this adjusted P&L account using balance sheet in the next class. Okay. So don't forget, adjusted P&L account is prepared to calculate fund from operation, and this amount will be plugged to the sources of fund in fund flow statement. Okay. Sources of fund fund flow statement or a major item on a fund from operation. You will be writing that this amount in fund flow statement also. You are starting with net profit, not the gross profit. You are adding non-cash and non-operating expenses, and you will be reducing
Non-operating income.
Non-operating income.
non-operating income. So please understand this diagram, or please understand this format. So usually these red items will appear usually in the full-fledged question. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you for attending the session. So if you are not understanding this one, I'll share a video. You can see that, and after that, you can ask the doubts. And this video will also be there in the Moodle. Okay.